What's up, YouTube? We're back fucking around with this 04 RX8. That's crazy. So you guys may be chasing the same problem I am. The fuel line connector was also bad here, but it's 3/8 to 5/16. So Dorman only makes just a 90-degree where you have to push it onto the line yourself. They don't make the 5/16 line to 3/8 push. They make it in a straight. Yeah, man. So if anyone wants to know what it is, it's 3/8 at the pump to 5/16 line. Stupid for Mazda. Why wouldn't you put a 3/8 line to 3/8 connector, making things difficult for people?